Hi, it's Dan Bunker here from United Learning's EdTech team, and we're just going to take a quick look at how we can add in to PowerPoint our own video material. There'll be times when you want to work through an example, manipulating objects or showing the various steps in a process. And here I need a worked example of how to add fractions with different denominators. So what I've done is just hook up my phone to make an impromptu visualizer. Now I've just put the phone with the elastic type bands to a hammer and use it as a stick, really, supported over a saucepan, and that works pretty well. And there could be hundreds of different ways you could use a simple phone to record your own video. Once I've recorded that video, I've saved it and uploaded it to my OneDrive area, and now I'm ready to import it into my PowerPoint at the right place in the slideshow. So what I'm going to do is go to the Insert menu and choose the video option from the menu, and then a video on my PC. I then browse through my videos and find the one I want to use, select it and click Insert. You may find, if you've taken it on a phone, it's actually the wrong kind of a way up, so I'm just going to rotate that round using the tools in PowerPoint. So I'm just going to zoom out ever so slightly here so I can see the grab bar, and then I'm just going to pull that video round so it's showing in the right sort of landscape view. That's my video inserted. I'm just going to save my PowerPoint, and then the next step will be to record a voiceover PowerPoint and include my own video within that. We've seen how we can try and fashion an impromptu visualizer using a mobile phone and some household items, and when we do that we can record our own instructional videos and we can insert those into our PowerPoint slideshows like I've done here. And then when we're actually thinking about recording a voiceover PowerPoint, we know we've got the tools to record a slideshow, and here's one I've started earlier where I've started to add my narration to the various slides. However, when it gets to the video slide, that where we've put our teacher modeling, I'm not going to record a voiceover there because I actually want the video to play just by itself, and if I record a voiceover for that, then I've obviously got the clash of the video and my voice recording, and I'll also have an echo on the audio, so I wouldn't recommend recording any voiceover for that video slide. But where we've got all a combination here of our voiceover slides and our video slide which isn't narrated, and maybe there's just a worksheet slide or something like that, we've completed it and we're ready to export it then by going to File and Export and creating that video. I'm using the small standard size, keep the file size down as possible, and when I click on Create Video it'll start exporting that. I'll just make this a new version, and that will take 1 or 2 minutes depending on the size of the video to export. Particularly when it gets to the video section, it'll slow down and do that. Well, let's have a look at one I've done earlier. It's this slide here, this video file here. If I double click to open it, you'll see how that, this is lesson 7, adding fractions. You see I've got my voice narration on that, and I can scrub through and show how that works. When I get to the video section, I'll just play that. Non-cake food. So we're going to take a look at how to add these fractions, 4/12 and 3/8. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is simple. You can see that the video plays nicely within the overall video I've created. I haven't used the voiceover narration at that point because it would just be confusing and I'd get echo on the audio. But inserting your own videos into PowerPoint and then exporting the whole PowerPoint with narration where needed could be a very useful tool for supporting home learning with our children.